Oh shoot, you guys, you better get ready because they're talking about adding a Category 6 hurricane to this year's Saffir-Simpson scale. This shit is about to get intense. Check this out.
Waters get hotter, so does the danger for strong hurricanes. And a new study suggests that the warming oceans may be tilting the scale that we use to measure the strength of hurricanes. Right now, the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale goes from Category 1 to Category 5. But is it time to add a Category 6? Category 5, the top of the hurricane scale, a status earned by fewer than 1 in every 50 storms. And with only 4 known strikes on the U.S. mainland, including Hurricane Andrew in 1992, this rare breed of ultra-powerful hurricane doesn't come often. But new research warns these catastrophic hurricanes are becoming stronger, courtesy of climate-fueled warming, with authors proposing a Category 6 to account for extreme winds not observed in the past.
It's actually quite simple why the potential for Category 6 storms has increased, and that's that climate change has made both the ocean temperatures warmer and as well as the air temperature.
Dr. Michael Weiner is a senior scientist studying extreme weather and climate at Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory in California. In a study published earlier this year, he and his colleagues examined the 200 or so Category 5 storms seen globally from 1980 to 2021 to determine if any of them had strong enough winds to warrant a hypothetical Category 6 rating. They found 5 storms that were so strong they topped the traditional Saffir-Simpson's hurricane scale and would meet the study's criteria for Category 6, with each of the 5 happening in the past decade.
Look at this infrared satellite presentation of this storm. It just says power.
This recent spate of ultra-intense storms is unprecedented and worrying. And while none of these Category 6s occurred in the Atlantic, the study did find a significant increase in the number of days that have the right conditions to support these ultra-strong hurricanes in areas close to the U.S., like the Gulf of Mexico and Caribbean.
As far as we can tell, it's only a matter of luck that we haven't had a storm on those days when the conditions were ripe for a Category 6 storm.
With the 2024 hurricane season gearing up, these nearby areas are of particular concern for top-end threats.
Particularly this year, with ocean temperatures being particularly high again.
Whether or not these new findings mean we need a new category is debatable. And many of the nation's hurricane experts, including the director of the National Hurricane Center, pushed back on the idea.
Category 5, if you look at the definition, is catastrophic damage from a wind perspective. There's not much more you can say beyond that. So trying to go above and beyond that, I'm not sure would have a lot of value in communicating the wind hazard.
The over-reliance on scales encourages a comparison of hurricanes that are more often different than alike.
The Saffir-Simpson scale it's a wind scale, so it can tell you what the sort of damage potential of the peak winds in that hurricane are, and that's useful information, but it's limited to that one particular hazard.
Nevertheless, with the world's oceans hotter today than at any point in the recent past, chart-topping hurricanes of today may be the more commonplace threat of the future.
Do you guys remember what Hurricane Ian did to the West Coast a few years ago? It completely leveled Fort Myers. Remember that? I'm talking about water surges as high as 14 foot high. 14 feet high. And then the ocean near Tampa was completely gone. Like it rescinded. Y'all remember that? All I'm saying is if you are in the Caribbean in Florida, be prepared because we are literally right there in Hurricane Alley, y'all. Right there where the hurricanes are forming is coming right up, okay? So I'm letting y'all know what's going on. This video is strictly for entertainment purposes only. I am only raising awareness to interesting situations during these interesting times. Like, comment, and share this video for more videos like this, y'all. Everybody should know what's going on. And it's only getting hotter. All right. Thank you for tuning to my frequency. Let's get this shift, y'all. Peace in.